Hi, this is Aaron at Classic Vacuum in North Canton and Worcester, Ohio, here to kind of explain our R65 Riccar stick vacuum. With the R65, what comes in the box here is you'll get the machine. You get this charge base, the 4 attachments, as well as the holder for the attachments. To use the machine, you pull the trigger here, and it goes. You don't have to hold the trigger, so you don't have any of that finger fatigue. All the attachments are button lock here. You can just remove stuff as you don't need it, convert it to a hand vac. Anything that goes in the end of the wand can go in the end of the machine. Take you through the unit, the features of that. We have our battery in the back. You can remove your battery and swap it out for a second battery if you choose. The machine only comes with 1 battery by default. Here in the back, you can see my charge level. The left side is our dirt meter. I'll show that later. It will show as debris enters the unit if you're picking anything up. The right side is your power level. So as you can adjust that here with the plus and the minus, as well as the auto setting, which will monitor the debris and adjust the speed as necessary. Also, it's hard to see because it's not indicated. There's some indicators there. Looks like a brush jam indicator maybe. I'll have to check the manual on that, and that clog indicator. As far as how to empty the machine, we just hit a button here on the front. Dirt comes open. This cup can easily be removed. If you look here, there's some indicators, lock and unlock, max fill line. So we twist this to unlock, comes off. This can be washed. This inner filter, and this is a metal screen. This can also be taken on and off. You see we have the unlock and lock symbol, so I'm going to twist it to the unlock and pull it out. You have your pre-motor filter in the top here. This is washable. You just, again, twist and unlock it from the top lid. You can wash this. I prefer to keep it dry until it gets real nasty, and then I'll wash it. But I try to limit my washings of filters. And then you have a final exhaust filter here on the back. Twist, unlock. And then it does also twist, unlock, removes from the cage. These filters look similar, but they are not the same size, and they're not interchangeable. The filter set on this machine includes both filters, so you just change them as a set every few years. So I'm going to lock that in place, fit that in there. I just kind of, you can feel it drop in this where it needs to be, and then lock in place. Here we have our arrow, we have our unhooked arrow, and then twist into place. Power button trigger. When you set the unit in the base, you can see it has these tabs here, and you just slide that battery right above it and push down and in. And then you'll see the indicator light to show that it's charging. It works off these contacts here. The contacts on the battery, bottom of the battery, contacts there, as well as it holds your device. And we can put any attachments on the end of the wand if we want to clean up high, ceiling fan blades, things of that nature. This tool will pivot to get strange, weird, whatever angle you need, you can get with this tool here. Everything's a push button lock, locks in place. You don't have your attachments falling off. And then you have the standard head, which is for bare floor or carpet. Some features of the head are it has a little bit larger diameter brush, which helps the hair wrapping around the brush. It has this felt strip to help with bare floor performance, as well as rubberized wheels, so there's not going to be any scratching of your floors. You can take the brush out real easy for cleaning. If you look here on top, there's a button. Press the button, it snaps it open. The whole brush will pull right out here. And then you can wipe this out, cut your hair off. You don't necessarily have to take this end piece off, but you could if it got jammed full of hair. You notice here there's rubber on the end to help keep hair out. Let's put it back in, kind of give it a little wiggle into place, and then this little side piece just clips back in. Separate optional items you can get with the R65. You can get this pet brush here. The pet brush just clips on like so. See, it's got a rotating brush. And same thing, if I do need to take it out, if I get a bunch of pet hair wrapped around this brush, get a coin, quarter turn that, brush comes out for easy cleaning, put it back in, quarter turn back in place. That easy. Next optional attachment, the hard floor brush. With lights. Got some headlights on there. Soft brush, kind of buffs your floor. Very easy. Again, if something gets jammed in there, you will need to clean it. Get your lucky penny out. Quarter turn it. And everything comes apart for easy cleaning. Also optionally, you can get a base attachment with a second battery. So if my battery dies, all I got to do is swap them out. This base will charge the battery on both ends. So if both batteries are dead and I plug it in, and it will charge them both up so that when I'm ready to go, both batteries will be ready to go. And that is separate. The default base does not include the ability to attach a battery. There's a kit that comes with the battery and the base you can buy. Here at Classic Vacuum, we sell a package. Just get it all together. It's the best way to go. The standard attachment is for bare floor or carpet. So if I'm going to clean my carpet, I just click the trigger and away I go. Bam. It's good carpet cleaning. It does have headlights. There's really no adjusting it. Just go from one to the other. The best tool for bare floor is going to be that bare floor tool. And the machine is very nicely balanced. The weight between the lower part of my hand and the upper is very balanced, so it's easy to use. It's easy to push and pull. In fact, this thing has so much power, if I turn this on the high setting, it actually kind of sucks to this carpet and actually kind of pulls itself down into the floor. Here to show you the carpet cleaning ability, you can see it does have pretty good agitation for stick vac. Here we have our simulated pet hair. It's K-POC. It's like a bean fiber, but makes a good non-hypoallergenic pet hair simulator here. So I'm going to show you how the unit works on pet hair on carpet. So it does a good job. Next, I'm going to show you the auto adjustment here. I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to switch her to auto, and then I'm going to show you how that works. Auto setting. Now we're going to show you bare floor cleaning with the hard floor tool here. And I want you to notice how it kind of pulls in the pet hair. We're on the high suction level. This thing has a lot of power. It's like a black hole of vacuuming. It's some nice swivel action as well. All right, all clean. It also has pretty good edge pickup. Now we'll try the handheld attachment. This has a nice nice suction. It really conforms to what you're picking up. You'll see I can actually lift this carpet up a little bit. This machine has a lot of suction. We're in the max setting here. This is a vacuum wire lift gauge. It measures how far you can lift a 1 inch by 1 inch column of water at sea level. It's a good indication of suction. Anything above like 40 or 60 is good. So good suction, you're really going to feel it. And we could see that when we were doing bare floor. It was actually pulling in that hair before you even got to the brush. Thanks for watching my video, guys. That was the Riccar R65. If I missed anything or you want to see something else, let me know. Remember, the unit is just the machine. We have packages, extra battery, hand tool, bare floor tool are separate, but you can package those with us. Classic Vacuum, North Canton, Worcester, and online at classicvac.com. Thanks for watching.